Hi, Alexander here from Cryptocoin Express. As previously explained, Bitget Copytrading has a really versatile system with complex strategies option inside it to be learned first before attempting. In this video I will be explaining how to strategize and maximize the result of your copy trading plan with Bitget Copytrading. To start, you must know basic of technical analysis to get a better understanding and know the right trend. This can be used to evaluate the trader's analysis whether they do it right or no. What is technical analysis anyway? Technical analysis is the study of historical market data, including price and volume. Using insights from market psychology, behavioral economics, and quantitative analysis, technical analysts aim to use past performance to predict future market behavior. So it is really essential to read trends and market status before going further, so you reduce the risk of losing money over time. Using Bitget Copytrade also helps you decide which copy trader to pick and follow for a long time. Technical analysis is the foundation of success trade. Next, you may want to take a look on the trader's profile and pay attention to their success rates and historical performance, as this can be a good indicator for a good trade they are doing. As explained on previous video, follower PNL is also important as it indicates whether users following the person is making money or no. Moving on, we are getting on risk management that includes stop loss and take profit strategy after you choose a trader. Kindly do 1 per 2 risk reward for each trades, so example you are losing $100 but gaining $300 if hits take profit, so the next time you are hitting stop loss, you are only losing the profits before not losing the capital. Also combine your technical analysis with the list of trading pairs, only copy that matches your TA so it creates a better outcome. If done correctly, Bitget Copytrade is pretty useful and can make you easy money and profits as it really is helpful for it. You can make big bank and get rich with Bitget Copytrade using my strategies above. That is all for today. See you all next time. Alexander signing out.